Hey guys! So we've been busy exploring Scotland's Northeast 250, which is a scenic tourist route through, you guessed it, the northeast of Scotland. We hired a fun camper van and took our little floof Bella with us for 3 days of exploring. Everything from the rugged North Sea coastline to the mountains of the Cairngorm National Park. This route has beaches, waterfalls and historic castle ruins. Of course, it wouldn't be a Pitch&Paws video without something going wrong. Yep, that happened. So stay tuned, subscribe and look out for a 3-part vlog of this fun Scottish road trip.
Alrighty, so the first thing that we needed to do with this Scottish Northeast 250 road trip was to pick up our camper van and pack all of our stuff into it.
So we are all loaded up.
Nice!
All our things are in there. Hopefully we got everything. Did we get everything? We always forget something.
We're missing one thing.
What is it?
Bella. Okay, so now we're 100% sure we've got everything, including Bella. We can hit the road and start this Northeast 250 road trip. Okay, first stop on our trip, Hackley Head. So we are at the... where are we?
You just said it, Hackley Head.
No, but right now we're at the Forvie,
Forvie car park.
National Nature Reserve.
That's it.
Centre information. And we're going to go for a little walk, our walk of the day, stretch our legs before we hit the road.
Yep.
All the way to Hackley Bay, which should take us about an hour.
What?
So
I thought you said it was going to be quick.
No, we're going to stretch our legs. Let's go for a walk.
Let's do it.
Guys, I'm not even joking. We've been walking for 5 minutes and they're already midges. Can you believe this? Like, I'm not even kidding. It's end of September. It was like 10 degrees today. We're on the coast, so it should be windy here. Why are there midges? So I'm just gonna keep moving and not stop. Oh, I can feel them in my hair.
Anna, there's so many. Anna, this is...
Oh, I can feel them in my hair.
Let's go back. Let's leave. Honestly, let's leave. There's so many. This is the worst time. There's so many. I'm going back. Honestly.
There is a lot and I can feel them in my hair.
Let's get out of here now.
Well, that was a successful trip.
There we go, guys.
Bella! Come on. No, there are actually loads.
Yeah.
I'm not making that mistake again. Quick, get back to the car, Evan. I can feel them. Okay, so far, Northeast 250, beautiful.
Beautiful, really nice.
Beautiful, the car park here at Forvie National Nature Reserve.
And the road all the way up to here.
Yeah.
And our house was really nice.
There's no need to do the walk.
No.
Nope. So as you saw, we started walking for 5 minutes and then got attacked by midges.
And if you don't know about our history with midges, there's a video right here that you can watch that will remind you why we hate them so much.
Yeah.
So we're not taking any chances today.
I'm not risking it. You saw the state of my face on that last video. That is not happening within the first half hour of our Scottish road trip.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and looking like that. How are we going to film the other days?
It would just be you. I'll just be behind the camera. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next stop on the list, which is Cruden Bay, and in particular Port Erroll, which is a small village with a historic fishing community, and it's a very, very cute place to stop. We couldn't resist getting the drone out to capture the beauty of the coast and the beaches here.
We didn't have too long to spend at each location because there was so much to explore on the first day. So after taking some shots with a drone, we got back into the van and drove a few minutes down the road to Slains Castle.
So we just went to Slains Castle, which was like castle ruins on the cliff edge, and it was lovely. Like, we live in Aberdeen, so it's quite close to us, and I'm going to be bringing all my friends and family there when they come and visit, because it was very cool. If you like Game of Thrones or anything like that, it's worth stopping at. So the next place that we're visiting quickly, hopefully, is on the cliff again, and it's called O Buchan. Basically, it's a collapsed sea cave. So it was a sea cave and the roof has collapsed in, and it's created like a really cool, like, interesting rock feature. So we're gonna have a wander down there, take some pictures, have a look around. Hopefully Bella won't try and jump off the cliffs. She's being a little bit annoying at the moment, so I've got her on the lead, don't worry. Let's go. It might be a little bit windy up here, but I am really hoping you can see this behind me. How beautiful it is, guys. It's a collapsed sea cave and the water down there is like turquoise blue, and it's very pretty. It's only a short walk from where you can park. It's amazing. Although I would say Bella is making the experience a little bit less enjoyable, shall we say.
I don't know if you guys can see the amazing light we have right now. Look how nice it looks back there. And my face. Am I pretty with this light? No? Okay. I shouldn't have asked, I should have known. Look how nice it is here. It's crazy that we live so close to these places. It's amazing. But we can't spend too much time here. We got more places we need to visit, so we need to head back to the car and get a move on, because we're losing light. And it's really pretty right now. Yeah.
It's golden hour right now. I've got beautiful I've got beautiful scenes of the sea on my right. And we've got a lot more to do before we're stopping for the night. So the next place we're going is a lighthouse. I think it's called Buchan's Lighthouse. And it's a lighthouse. But I think we're just going to do a drive-by. We're going to drive up to it, have a little look, and then continue to our next stop after that, which is another lighthouse.
There's a lighthouse up there.
Ah, that's the lighthouse. Yeah, that's definitely the lighthouse. So we're going to drive a little bit closer and have a look. On the road again. Well, so far, things could have been a little bit better. In our first stop, we got attacked by midges. That was at the Forvie National Nature Reserve. And then the second stop was Slains Castle, which was beautiful. And it would have been amazing drone footage, but it rained on us, didn't it? So
it did.
That cancelled that plan. Then we've just gone here, but I stepped in dog poo. So that was annoying because I had to clean that off my shoe for 10 minutes. Pick up your poop, people. This is not okay. This isn't Bella's, this is someone else's.
And on that lovely image of Anna cleaning dog poop from her shoes, we're gonna end this part of the vlog. Let's just say it was a day of mixed experiences, but we did see some pretty cool scenery, like this lovely fishing port in Cruden Bay, the old castle ruins that had a Game of Thrones vibe to them, a collapsed sea cave that blew us away, and this lighthouse. Join us on the next episode where we visit another lighthouse and talk more about our campervan experience, including our first time cooking dinner and breakfast, as well as our general thoughts on campervan life and if it's for us. So stay tuned, subscribe, and look out for a 3-part vlog of this fun Scottish road trip.